How to recover deleted post on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can restore recently deleted posts on Instagram using your iPhone or Android device in just a few steps. In this tutorial I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android you can follow similar steps. So first of all, you gotta head over and open your Instagram application, and then you gotta click on your profile icon here at the bottom right. And once you do so, you will be redirected to your profile. Now let's suppose if you have deleted a post accidentally and you want to recover that, you can do that within 30 days. So first of all, you gotta click on these three horizontal lines at the top right, and you will be redirected to your settings and activity. So here under the section of how you use Instagram, you gotta click on your activity. And once you're here in your activity, you'll be able to see an option of recently deleted under removed and archived content. So you gotta click on recently deleted, and only you can see these posts. They will be permanently deleted after the number of days shown. After that, you won't be able to restore them. So I deleted this post today. That's why it's written 30 days. If a few days have passed by when you have deleted the post, you'll be able to see the number of days decrease, and once it's 0, the picture would be removed. So you gotta click on the post, and then you gotta click on these three dots, and here you'll be able to see an option of restore. So you can simply click on restore, and then you can click on restore again, and once you do so, you'll be able to see it says restored. So you gotta click on view on profile, and once you do so, you can see that the post has come back. So that was how you can recover deleted post on Instagram. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.